Hello everyone, how are we today? Well, here we are again. Now it's Miller Lite. It's not transgender. Now it's feminism. I don't understand. Let's all just drink the beer that we want. And let's tell all these beer companies, look, save your money. Don't advertise. We all know what we're drinking. Put the money in the bank or donate it to charity instead of spending millions and millions or maybe billions on advertising. Quit doing it. Just stop. We know what we're drinking. People see it on the shelves. You guys have been in business forever. So you don't have to keep on advertising. Just try to get your product through. People know what they drink. All right? So leave it alone. Quit advertising. Anyway, on another note, there's, I don't know, this boggles my mind. Now they say it's feminism. This woman was, I don't know, she trashed one picture of a girl in a bikini. Okay, well, you know what? We want to see that. That's what we want to do. Now, if you really want to advertise, well, why don't you get a bunch of women in bikinis and put them out on a boat, put them on the beach, sitting around the pool, drinking your stuff. Pretty simple. And that way, they don't have to dress up as a woman. The guys don't. The guys don't have to dress up as a woman just to try to get something across. I don't know. I'm just sort of lost. All right? I mean, I don't even watch TV hardly that much as far as commercials go. When a commercial comes on, I flip the channel to find something else I can watch. All right? So the advertising thing is pretty much out the window for me. So all I can say is save the money. Quit advertising. You don't need to. They see it on the shelf. If they want to buy it, they like it, they'll buy it again. No big deal. So, with that being said, I don't want to get into this Mulvaney thing because that was messed up. That was messed up. You got a guy dressed up as a woman, or he wants to be a woman, or has been for 365 days, whatever. And if they don't understand their biology, their biological, what they were born with, that's a problem. And they need to be medicated or put into a hospital or under some kind of psychiatric help. There's something wrong there. If you're born with a penis, well, you're a guy. But you want to wear a dress. Okay, that's up here, that's psychological, that's mentally ill. There's something wrong with that picture. Anyway, all right, leave your comments down in the bottom. I don't care if they're positive or negative. I could care less. I don't know. You can't piss me off. That's why I just go about my daily rhetoric and deal with what I got to deal with on a daily basis. Back in my day, we didn't have this stuff. I guess the bimbos and bozos were still in the closet and they didn't come out and advertise. Now it's wide open. Okay, well, you can thank your White House for that. For the last, I'm going to say 10 years, when Obama got in, that's when all this transgender shit started taking over. Stuff started taking over. So, you know, wanted 3 bathrooms, men, women, and whatever, which was freaking stupid. So, you guys leave comments, let me know, and I'll be waiting to hear the negatives. I know you're going to hate me, but oh well. That's too bad because I don't care. Anyway, have a great day. I just wanted to run this by you real quick. It's kind of off of my avenue from what I normally do, but anyway, I appreciate it. All right, if you like it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell if you want to continue to hear my stuff. Anyway, have a great day, and thank you for tuning in. We'll see you.